Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to bookmark a location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to bookmark a location in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application on your phone, guys, first zoom to the location or the place which you want to bookmark on your Google Maps. And after zooming to the place which you want to bookmark on your Google Maps, tap and hold on the place until the red pin appears like this, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the save button available for us over here, where there is the direction start and save. We'll be required to tap on the save button in order to save that place as a bookmark. And on this interface you'll get the categories of the bookmarks in Google Maps. I'll be just tapping on the favorites because I'll be going there later on, and let's remove the want to go places over here. And after that, let's type in some details like a good cafe, and let's tap on the done at the top right corner of the screen. And with that being done, guys, that place will be saved as a favorite place or bookmarked as a location which you will go on the future on Google Maps. And when we close this, guys, you can see on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us. Tap on the U button, and depending on the category which you had saved your location or bookmark your location, I had bookmarked it for the favorites place, and tap on the favorite. You can see that location available for us over here, and when you tap on it, that location will be shown to us directly on the Google Maps. With that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to bookmark a location on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.